gosh, Thomas. Oh,
Amelia,
the Railway Series.
I'm gonna carry you.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Trackmaster. We got East. Oh my gosh. Tommy. Yeah, boy. This is Thomas Paradise. Oh, what's this? Wooden Railway and wood. Okay, seriously. Wooden Railway, and this is wood. And that is timber checks. And we got more wooden railway and wood. Wood versus wooden railway. Oh yeah, we can compare this. We can compare these two. Oh, seriously. Oh god, no.
Back.
Excuse me? Oh, hey, look, they got adventures.
These aren't the ones we normally play.
And Thomas Bush. Excuse me? And the bacon stack. Oh, hey, look. What's this? Oh, yeah. YouTube Kids. Yeah, I know. I'm sticking with the original YouTube. And we got a lot of Thomas things. We got the Thomas train whistle. A bigger Thomas train whistle. Oh, geez, this thing is bigger. This thing is bigger than an apple. This thing is even bigger than an apple. Now he stopped that. Oh, hey, Thomas. Boom. Thomas War!
You're not getting that.
I'm Thomas. I'm a tank engine. Check, 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 check. I'm Thomas. Check, 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 choo choo. My name is Thomas.